$100,000. 100,000 bucks.
24 hours ago, this is how I met Mario.
I just got fired. Do you have a couple of bucks?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. I know job from right now, but hey, I still need money.
Why are you get 10 bucks?
Yeah.
Why are you gonna help me?
It's not too much.
You're looking for work? Mario the handyman, if you need something fixed, I'm your guy.
You don't work?
I just got fired today. No.
Yeah.
That's too much money.
No. It's okay. Go.
Why?
Then Mario told me this.
My life is not good, but
What do you mean your life's not good?
my daughter is sick, no job.
How old is your daughter?
My daughter is special in the high school.
Uh-huh.
Two ladies, the cara, and you hear and the stars and escaleras.
They hurt your daughter? Are you married?
My wife is living forever. Cancer in the pancreas.
So Mario, the first person who is gonna help me, I got $1,000 cash.
No. Come on, you know work. Come on.
$1,000 cash for food, for rent, for your daughter.
God bless you.
God bless you.
I not pay my rent. Give me job. I am strong. Yesterday no sleeping. I sit in the patio of my house. Oh come on, my. No food, no money. What happened?
We're gonna find you work, okay?
Yes.
You have my
please,
word. I will find
please,
you a good job.
Give me a job.
The next day, I met up with Mario to give him 2 life-changing surprises.
Mario! You good?
Yeah.
Love you.
I love you too. Only work. Give me work. I am strong.
I know.
Me work.
My friends, they came together. We wanted to surprise you with a few things.
No.
$100,000. 100,000 bucks. Mario,
No.
this is for you. Mario, please.
This is your money. I return your money.
No. It's not my money. It's strangers coming together, brother.
No.
I have one more surprise for you. I want you to meet somebody right now. The owner of True Classic, he's my friend.
Mario, we just so happen to have a warehouse here in El Monte. I need a guy I can hire to work for us full time.
Job.
Job.
I have a full-time opening. Will you come work for me?
Yes, sir.
I would love it if you would come help manage our warehouse. No more physical labor handyman work.
Can you start work today?
Today, tomorrow, wherever.
We love you, Mario.
My daughter is my daughter. Is my responsibility.
Our responsibility as humans is to help one another.
How much is?
$100,000.
How the? No way. No. It's too much. My hair is. No. Thank you.
They not.
Oh, gracias.
Love you.
I love you too.